Hey, son, you got a second?
Sure, Dad, what's up?
Well, your mother was cleaning your room the other day and, she found this.
Okay, it's my friend's. Okay, he just asked me to hold it for him. I didn't look at it.
All right, well, probably have a lot of questions now that you've seen it, right?
Yeah.
Well, you're old enough now. I guess it's time we had the talk about how commercial food service ice is made.
I know you told me it came from the ice stork, but that doesn't make any sense. How would a stork know so much about refrigeration and coolant systems?
Right, well, you see, water that has hopefully been sanitized and filtered can become ice a number of different ways, depending on the commercial ice system, that is. Well, the most common type uses a reservoir tank that holds a specific amount of water. So when the water and the ice machine love each other very much and the timing is right, the pump transports the water through what is called a distribution tube. Son, let's be mature about this. Every ice machine has one.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So, the water goes down the evaporator and begins to freeze layer by layer until the ice cube is formed.
Whoa.
Then the ice machine warms the ice cube just enough to melt from the surface and it falls into the ice bin.
I like the ice bin.
Yeah, son, we all do. That ice bin is like an insulated cooler to hold all that sweet, sweet ice.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, but don't forget about protection. There's a lot of bad bugs out there, and they can get on your ice from dirty hands or nasty ice scoops. Always use safe ice handling practices, and you'll enjoy healthy and delicious ice well into your golden years. And that's how ice is made.
Wow.
So, do you have any other questions?
Yeah. Where do babies come from?
Paula, Brendan's got a question for you.